How to turn off comment on Instagram story. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To start off, first and foremost, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device. For this feature, you need to ensure that your Instagram is up to date and you are logged in into your account. Over here, go ahead and click on your story option or post a new story if you have not uploaded any. In your story at the bottom, you need to click on the more button or the three dot icon. At the end of the option, you will see an option called turn off commenting. When you click on the option, the comment for the particular Instagram story will be turned off. So for an example, if this is the story in which I don't want any of the comment, all I need to do is basically tap on turn off commenting. And just like that, you have turned off the comment option. If you wish to turn on the comment, again click on your story, tap on the three dot and tap on turn on commenting. It is that simple. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.